Want to learn how to create your own unique Phonk or Phonk from scratch? Well then watch and learn how to do it. I'll teach using FL Studio, so if you want to download the FL Studio project file for this song, the link is below. Let's get started. First, set your tempo at 130 BPM. 130 beats per minute is the standard song speed for this genre. Create some basic emotional started. This will be the foundation and root note of our melodies. Use the default FL Keys plugins for this. Next, layer up two FL stock plugins. In this case, we're going to be using the basic default FL Keys plugin and also the Broken Clash preset from the Flex plugin. Both of these are default plugins, so nothing to worry about. For the first bass, layer up two bass one-shots. You can find these one-shot in my Brazil Phonk sample pack and drum kit. I have linked it below in the description. Add a bass kick to bring more weight on the lower frequencies. You can see how easy it is to create your own viral Phonk style. All it takes is a matter of a few hours. To make it more funky, we're going to layer up the FL Keys, the Broken Clash from Flex, the mini synth, and then a Lodro bell to create a sort of a layered lead. This gives the second part of the chorus more leverage and variation. And as for the main melody, we're going to use Celestial from Citrus. Citrus is an FL Studio stock plugin as well. Let's play the first and second part of the main melody. To finalize, program some drums, basic kicks, shaker loops, and Brazil vocal effects for the ambiances. For the mix, if you want to see how it was all put together, mastered, and final touches, get the FLP. Also, the sample pack I mentioned earlier, it has over 20,000 samples, drums, one-shots, acapellas, vocals, presets, FLPs, and many more. I've linked it below in the description. Join our Discord to connect with almost 3,000 other Phonk producers. It's free and linked below. This video was sponsored by Xulf. Subscribe, and let's hear the final results.